everybody, this is Sandy with Cartoons and Disney. Oh, I got that one. And there's Robbie, and he found Spongebob Squarepants by Nickelodeon. This is Sandy's Rocket construction set, and snap and switch 95 pieces. This one's $5. Let's show you what it looks like on back. That's what it's going to look like. And they also have Squidwards house. I like that one. That's kind of cool. Construction set, 70 pieces. You can collect all these. That's what it looks like on back. Let's see if they have anybody else. Squidward. I think it's just Sandy's Rocket and Squidward's house right now. I can't find any other ones. And this is at the Five Below in Florida.